I'm Maris Langford. I'm a sole practitioner in Doylestown and a member of the Bucks County Bar Association. I'm here to tell you a bit about the Orphans Court mediation program. Going to Orphans Court is usually very emotional because the reason for going there is usually caused by a death, incapacity, or finances, how someone handled an estate or used a power of attorney. The Orphans Court section of the Bucks County Bar Association has begun a mediation program with trained lawyers who are trained mediators and who also practice in the area of Orphans Court. Mediation is totally voluntary. You're not forced to do this, but parties may choose to do so. It's voluntary. Each party has an opportunity to share, to speak, to be listened to, and not be judged, in that the mediator mediates and does not make judgments. Coming to agreements is usually very satisfactory, although all agreements must ultimately be approved by the court. Some issues involved that can be in Orphans Court, which can be mediated, are will contests, guardian disputes, who should be the guardian of the person, who would best serve as guardian of the estate, disputes about expenses, and other matters that would come before the court in the Orphans Court section. Mediation relieves stress, it saves attorneys' fees, court costs, and ultimately it is possible that mediation can preserve family relationships. So where people can talk to each other, not being judged, express themselves freely, they can come to agreements, and some relationship is preserved. We have produced a brochure which is available at the courthouse at the Orphans Court desk on the 3rd floor. It's available at the Bucks County Bar Association and on the website. The brochure explains the procedure for requesting mediation, the process, the fees, and gives an example of cases that can be mediated. I would like to end with Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor's comment. I firmly believe that individuals and business concerns can dramatically impact on resolving their own problems outside of the courts. And that is what Orphans Court mediation can do. Thank you.